2014 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck with less than 52,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.